too many times you come across a trap. I can tell you a story about one of these up by Eureka by the Mammoth Mines back in the 80s. We had a dog, Cougar his name, of all names, got his foot stuck in one of these that was hidden, but it was more under the ground, and got him. But yeah, it was not a good day for Cougar, nor our family, because we felt bad because he was yelping. But yeah, big old trap set. I don't know how long ago, but by the rust of it, it looks like it's been here for quite a while. Maybe the 40s, who knows? Luckily, there's no animal caught in it. This stuff right here has a pink tint to it. I don't know if it'll show up. It's definitely pink. I want to say it's maybe opal, common opal. Yeah, we got this. Has some pattern in it, and that. Then I'm going to play whack-a-mole on this one here and see if it opens it up into something. As the raging wind blows, more amber-colored looking rocks, some with bubbles and druzy. Starting to get into some more patterns. As the wind rages. Here's one. The wind is raging up here. Kind of a different one. And I have this one here that has some banding in it. Oop. Come on. That's pretty nice. And then I got a bunch of the bubble ones starting to show up again. Got better ones I just chucked in there. There's a better one. Where is it? I'll have to show it to you after. But yeah, I'm starting to get that amber colored little seams of it in this stuff. That would be, like say, that'd be a nice cut. It'd have a good pattern in it. All right, continue on we shall. Here's another that we'll play whack-a-mole on. Let's see what's inside this thing. Again, we are fighting the wind. Check out that. Do we play whack-a-mole on it? I don't know about that one. I might just keep it intact and when I get a saw it in half. Or have a buddy I know saw it in half. Nice sandwiched. A little bit of bubble. These have a little bit of color to them. That one got some banding going on. A little bit of color in that one. All right, I think we'll load this up whole Nothing like starting out with a huge rock in your backpack at the very beginning of your trip, but I think it might be worth it. This one might be worth it not to do whack-a-mole. You can slice it right there and get a good section of it. Depending on if the wind is so terrible, I have to dub over it. But yeah, I'm into the area that I like. There's a piece up here. Where did I see it? A couple of pieces actually. There's one right there. And then there's a little piece up here. And I noticed that there's kind of that tinged one here that I got all this other stuff that I've been picking up. This one's got some banding in it. It's pretty nice. This one's just solid. This one I'm going to play whack-a-mole on. See what it opens up to. A little bit of bubble action going on. There's some bubble in there. Little crystals too. Sugar crystals. Sugar crystals! Alright, we're going to go up in here. But I think before we do that, I'm going to play whack-a-mole on that one. Whack-a-mole time! Let's see if I can shield this from the wind that is raging up here. That is a nice one. I will take that. We got this one here. Has a little bit of banding right up to the top. I'm going to play whack-a-mole, I think, on that one right here. See what it opens up to. Same with this one. I think I'll do whack-a-mole on. And then some more of that. Get to the bubble. That one's a nice bubble. And on that edge. And that one has a little bit of color in it. Not much. Alright, back into the hurricane I go. Alright, whack-a-mole on that rock. Got this. That is what's whack-a-mole. If I'm going to leave them behind for somebody. Alright, the wind is still raging. But starting to get into the area I like. Getting those little grape style. This one, just a hunk of this stuff. Pulled yet. This one we'll take a look at. Maybe we'll play whack-a-mole on it. It's got some crystals in there. That's pretty. Whack-a-mole time maybe on that one right there. Alright. Take pictures and whack-a-mole. It's gonna be windy. There's the raging wind up here. We're starting to get into the area I like. You can see a little bit of the amber start to go into the rock. And when I say amber, I don't mean amber, I just mean the color amber. It's getting into the area I like. You can see one right here. It's going to be windy as heck, but right there's one. Yep, sorry for the wind, but you're going to have to deal with it. All right, let's continue on. Check out this little thing. It's not the kind I like, because I like quartz, but yeah, still cool. Crystals nonetheless. Softer crystals is what it'd be in this rock here. Oh, a few smaller things. All right, we're gonna go look up in this little area. There's a few crystals in here. There, the bigger one there. Like I say, it's not quartz crystals. I want to say calcite or some type of softer one. That, yeah, there's one right there. Again, not my type, but kind of fun to come up and see it. As I'm going to be heading home anyway, in a little bit, I'll be back up this way, but I'm not going to be hunting for these. Anyway, we'll take that one. That's actually a pretty good one. Here is an encrusted one right here. These type of crystals are your game and like. All of this. Not quartz, but for somebody interesting enough. Maybe I'll take one of the little ones, put in there. And if I see any more, we will throw them in the giveaway. Here's a piece right here. But yeah, it's in some of these seams. And I found that when you get lava rock that has kind of a reddish tone, you have more luck in finding crystals for some reason. I don't know why. But this one here, I'll put in the bag. We are heading over onto this side because I seen a ledge up there that has more of this white seams. The snow is flying. And anyway, I'm up here and let me zoom back out. My guess, this is alabaster. It's got a banded kind of with a pink. I'll put that in there. I don't have one of those. Check out all this stuff. Kind of interesting. You've got more that crusted little crystals on this. Put that in there. I got this one here. More of that rock. That's actually kind of cool. I have to put me a piece of that in there. Look at it. That's cool. Oh wow. Getting full. Not many, and it's already getting full. And like I say, it is snowing. Little pellets on me. Check out that. The banding in this rock. This rock has quite a bit of banding in it. All right, all of a sudden the wind stopped for a second. Amazing. Oh, I'll take every little bit I can get. It's a big old piece. It's all coming out from this cliff line right up here. We're going to go up there. Shall we go up there? We shall. It's very windier than windy. There's another band right there. I gotta take some pictures. Pictures says a lot about all this. Crystals in here. out to the thing. You're a winner. Getting closer. Getting closer to the top where all this is coming out of. Nasty wind. I found a cove in here. Look like a lot of the crystals are coming out of here, tucked away in little vugs, little pockets. So if you were to smash this, you would get into a lot more. Now the wind's raging. I've emerged into the hurricane. Gotta take advantage when the wind cuts down. Druzy quartz, or not quartz, but whatever it is. Oh, you can see it. Running through it right here. There's a cool picture. I'm gonna take one picture. Should take a picture of that one too. So I have it. Picture taken. I was going to show. It's pink. It's got pink banding in it. Right here. It's smashed apart. Yeah, it's got some banding in it that's pink. It's pink, I tell you. Alright, I'm going to check that out. Ooh, there's a big old piece of encrusted. Somebody could cut that and make it really pretty, whatever, mini sphere. It's not very, better take that one too. Man, my backpack's getting full. Here's a good crystalline one. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Put that in there. Then you have this with the wind howling. We can see that must have been the side wall of a cavern that just kept on filling up with different layers. Let's play whack-a-mole. I didn't bring my hammer, but it's soft enough. I should be able to do this. Here's a piece that's been knocked out. Form of it right there. This little pocket in here. Right in there. Alright, I'm done. Let's continue on.